that way. Right here, we're actually trying to emulate some of the pictures and videos. Blue tape walkthrough today. Our way to a blue tape walkthrough for one of my buyers on the it's a pretty small back road here in Zephyrhills area. And Zephyrhills is kind of like your expansion to where all this new construction is going to. Just because in Tampa everything is running out of space. You know what I mean? So a lot of my clients and buyers and other people just relocating or just upsizing or buying for the first time, they're buying out here in Pasco County and even Hernando County just because it's a better bang for your buck. It's just outside the city, so the prices reflect that. You know, my client is purchasing this house for, you know, like mid 300s. You know, a house like that in the heart of Tampa is going to be like 450 to 500,000 most likely. So that's the main reason and a good reason to be out here in Harvest Ridge. We're driving into Harvest Ridge right now. This is it. Center right here, and then a lot of the nearly finished homes are to my right. You know, D.R. Horton is a pretty well-known builder. For those of you who are kind of no idea what purchasing a new home is like, well, D.R. Horton is probably the biggest national builder in the USA. They're not the most high-end, but it's kind of it's a good starting point for a lot of people looking to get their door in the real estate home ownership. All right. Hey, good morning. Here we are. Everything okay, man?
Yeah, how about yourself?
Yes, sir, good.
What's the verdict? Is everything going okay?
Yeah, just cosmetic stuff. Stuff that's nothing.
Is the builder with them right now?
Yes, he's here.
Is this the one?
Yeah, this is it. The Myra had a list of things already that she found, and most of them we crossed off already because we already documented it. They actually, I found something actually. There was a little piece of wood sticking up and it felt sharp to the touch. Okay. So he pulled it. Actually, it's still there. It's still there. Right here. You feel it?
Yeah.
Yeah, he said he fixed it, but apparently not. Where was it? It's weird. It's not there anymore? Or is that it right there?
No, I thought it was. Yeah, it is.
Oh. Oh. Easy. What is that? Let me see.
Drywall bud.
Simple fix. Walking around the house and doing our final walkthrough. Actually, we just finished the appointment, and my home inspector is doing his thing to find any additional details, but you can see a lot of the things we marked with blue tape. Green tape is a drywall fix. Blue tape is a paint fix. There's your front entrance right here. And yeah, it's my inspector's truck right here. It's super lifted, tuned. He ought to tune on that thing. It's making some decent power. But yeah, around here through the foyer we got the kitchen, and again you can see all the tapes on the wall. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. Got the gray shaker cabinets, nice big pantry here. Yeah, cool thing about these windows is that when they come up, if I can figure this out. Okay, there we go. They actually fold out as well. So you can clean it from the inside and not have to take off the screen from the outside and do extra work, but they keep it simple. Every single window in this house has that feature. Something up there?
No, it's the only thing I complain about up there is that the soffit vents are blocked off. So like when they put these on,
Yeah.
I'm sorry, when they install everything, they put these like what they're called baffles. They're either styrofoam or in a lot of cases here they're cardboard. And when they blow on insulation, sometimes they blow it all into that soffit area, and it blocks the airflow. Now that's not the case with this. The reason it's blocked is because there's spans of like 5 or 6 and sections where they've missed the baffling itself, so the airflow's not getting past there.
Yeah.
Not great. So, but
Saying that, yeah. You got the master bedroom, nice big walk-in closet here. And we got a nice view of the front and the car.
because I wasn't here at 10?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why he's doing that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Master bath. Double sink. See a lot of the tape that we marked up. Some caulking right here that needs to be done right there in the crack between the shower and the drywall. We've got the throne room. And we got me in the mirror right there. A little bit, but the angle is right. Turning that way. Okay. Turning that way. Yeah, they just poured this today. There's footage of, I recorded the truck was like maneuvered its way right here.
And this is zone 3, and these are the only zones we have with one drip.
Yeah.
And this is the 3rd.
Yeah. Thanks for getting my car wet, man. I'm just kidding.
I figured you needed it.
Nah, not with this hard water. I rinse it like every other day anyway, so we're good. What's that? Yeah. Right here, we're actually trying to emulate some of the pictures and videos that I recorded previously, so I can do like a cool transition of when it's done. Agree. So we did, what kind of shot did we do? Oh, we did one of those. Okay, so we'll do vertical. And we started about right there. Doing the video. Cars parked in the same spot, so that's good. We'll do a quick shot. And we're going to be doing a... So there it goes. So it's kind of not really emulating it, but I think it's close enough. Yeah, once we get to the higher shots, I think it's pretty good. We should be all right. What other shots? And get the front facing shots. Get that. Yeah. Top shots. Oh yeah, we gotta get that shot. Alright, all finished up with today's walkthrough. Pretty much done for the day in terms of like in the field kind of stuff. Do got a couple contracts that I gotta follow up with and get those executed, but I'm gonna head home. Home to my wife. She's actually off today. I'm gonna hit up the beach. That's the beauty of working in real estate, actually. I could just bring my laptop and the work follows me. I guess, I mean, that could be a good thing and a bad thing.